All right, video number 2 that goes along with our combination long-haired set where you're doing some sculpted curls along with some shaping. We're going to create that wave pattern in the hair. So we have that initial C shaping in there. Now all of these curls were going forward on this side. Okay, we had a nice opening to that front hairline. All those curls are flowing forward. Now we're going to turn around and we're going to take another set of sculpted curls and we're going to go backwards. Now we started with the closed end of the C in the crown. Now we need to start on the opposite side. So we're going to start in the front hairline. I'm just going to tip my client forward here. Okay, and I'm going to go up underneath those curls. Be gentle. And remember, I put my finger in there and I'm going to create that C shaping. Okay, see that nice C shaping? Give her a little drink, make sure she's wet so she holds it. I'm going to keep adding to my open end of my C. Keeping a nice straight line. Keep that finger parallel to the floor. Okay, we have one set of curls here, nice straight line. Going to bring that around. And this time, crew, it's going to flow all the way around to the other side. Okay, here's that C shaping. Try not to get any splits in there. Add that nice and neat. See my C shaping? As I come around, I'm going to continue to work my way around the head, around the curve. Adjust her as you need to. Okay, now it's going to travel a little bit further. Directing that hair away. Okay, push into the C and then back. Coming around, I'm going to bring this a little bit higher. Watch how I have to spread out that C. See that shaping? Not quite as strong as you come around the wide part of the head here. And then we're going to get nice and strong here again. Make sure that we don't have any splits. Comb through there so that you get it nice and smooth. Okay, coming around nice and high on this right hand side part. Okay, coming just below, starting with a 1/2 inch. Remember, we started our shaping on the closed side, brought it all the way around. We're going to start our pin curls on the open side of the curl, or the open side of the shaping. So the open part of the C. Now as you come around, initially here on the right hand side, these curls again are going to be moving forward. Open part of the C. Okay, the open part of the C is moving forward. But as we come around, we're alternating the direction. Now the closed part of the C is sitting up front. Okay, so starting over here, we're going to make ourselves all the way around, come just below the indent. Show you a little trick here. Sometimes when this hair is long and heavy, I might grab myself a duckbill clip. If I can find one here. One second. Guess I will use my pin curl clips here. Okay, so I'm going to use my pin curl clips because I cannot find a duckbill clip. Sometimes I'll put a clip in here just to secure my C shaping. Okay, it just helps hold that steady. Sorry if I made you dizzy as I was walking around there. Okay, so sometimes I'll put a duckbill in there, coming in the open side of the C and just laying that in there. All right, so coming directly below the C shaping, remember to hold it steady so I don't pull out my shaping, and smooth out those ends. Give it a little drink if you need to. See how my ends are a little dry here. As I'm talking, she's drying out. Make a nice small circle. Begin to wrap it around itself. You can use an end paper if you need to. If they're being unruly. I try not to, especially when I'm working with this longer hair, use that paper because it just adds a little bit more bulk. And you can see as as we get closer to the scalp, how big these curls get. They get nice and chunky. Okay, we're going to grab our pin curl clip. We're going to grab our curl. We're going to secure it to its base, just directly underneath there. Next one, I'm going to take my next 1/2 inch section. Okay, remember I'm going to leave that hair down below. This is going to do something different. Smooth that out. And I'm going to work my way around. Now remember, if you're moving a little bit slower, go ahead and pause this video and come back. Get that shaping in there nice and neat. If the shaping's not in there well, it's going to make your job harder as you continue to travel through here. So take the time. Take the time to do it right from the very beginning. Next C shaping, I'm going to smooth that out, holding it securely, coming out here on these ends. Pin curl clip, remember those pin curl clips don't have the holes. Take it right in, let that stem flow right over top, or rather, and get that clip in underneath, keeping these horizontal. Okay, so those curls should make a straight line, making my way around the head. Makes for a beautiful comb out. Get it nice and smooth. Ribbon those ends together. And I'm going to make it all the way around the head here. Starting with forward curls on this side. I'm going to move into reverse curls on the other side. Those ends in there. Nice and smooth. Keep them nice and high. Bring them right into the center of that C shaping. Grab the curl, go underneath at that angle, and secure that into place. See how I have a nice straight line here, okay? I'm going to continue that on as I come around the crown. Keeping that C shaping, don't disrupt it. Wrapping it around itself, moving it to crown. Okay, I hope you're working right along with me here. Making sure you have that product in there. We do sculpted curls like this sometimes on dry hair or hair that's already been curled, thermally set, when you've prepped it for an up style, and we create beautiful